This is hook lying breathing. We'll start in a hook lying position on your back. We're going to start with our hands on the angles of our rib cage. In this position, you should be able to feel where your ribs meet your stomach. In this position, we're going to start with the knees bent and the lower back against the ground. We're going to take a 3-second inhale through the nose. When we take this inhale, we should feel our ribs expand in 360 degrees, coming out to the side and behind us. We're going to exhale through pursed lips all the way until all of our air is exhaled. When we exhale, we should feel the ribs move down, back, and in. If we get all of our air out, we should also feel some tension in our abdominal region. We're going to keep and maintain that tension as we take our next breath in through the nose. So as Mesa takes a breath in here, she's continuing to feel that braced and tense midline, moving right back into that next exhale, full and forcefully through pursed lips. As we build throughout these breaths, 5 breaths for example, tension should increase throughout the torso. If it's not, we want to make sure that after we exhale, we keep that tension for our next inhale. This is hook lying breathing.